Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and your preparation for IELTS is going properly. So, in this video, I'll be talking about one important question, that is true, false, and not given. Actually, this question is very common and काफ़ी students को इस question attempt करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मसला होता है and they are not able to get many correct answers for this specific question. I believe for this specific question, the main problem occurs in that students are lacking understanding of question, right? So in this question, what you have to do is you are given certain statements, and for each statement, you have to choose one answer out of three, right? Whether it is true, false, or not given, right? Let's understand the question properly. Now I'm sure when you understand this question properly, you will be able to choose the correct answer for your statements. First of all, you have to choose the answer true in a case when the statement that you are given is aligned with the idea that is present in the paragraph. For example, whatever is being talked about in the paragraph, if the same idea is presented in the statement, then you have to choose the correct answer. Now, in many cases, they will confuse you by giving you partial correct answer in the statement. आधी statement आपकी correct होगी, आधी correct नहीं होगी. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to choose false answer. Once it is done, we can move on to second part where you have to choose false answer. So now you choose false answer only in the case when the statement that you are given contradicts with the idea that are present in the passage. अगर आइडिया आपकी स्टेटमेंट में कोई भी बात ऑपोजिट हो रही है, राइट, ऑपोजिट हो रही है आपकी पैराग्राफ में आइडिया जो भी प्रेजेंट है उसके साथ, देन यू हैव टू चूज द फॉल्स आंसर and you will choose not given answer only in the case when the information is not present in the passage. कभी कभी ये होता है कि आपको कोई भी एक इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देते हैं एंड आपको लगता है कि ये जो स्टेटमेंट में इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है इसके बारे में कोई भी बात नहीं हो रही पैसेज में, देन यू हैव टू चूज नॉट गिवन ऑप्शन. अब एक और ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन होती है एंड दे डू इट डेलिबरेटली टू इन द एग्जाम टू. समटाइम दे विल गिव यू पैराफ्रेज्ड वर्जन्स ऑफ आंसर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको लगेगा कि ये इस चीज़ के बारे में पैराग्राफ में कोई भी बात नहीं हो रही, बट इन द पैराग्राफ, इन द एक्चुअल पैराग्राफ और द पैसेज, they have talked about it in a paraphrased version. So whenever you are choosing not given option, you have to make sure that there is no paraphrased version of the statement present in the passage. If it is present, then you have to choose the answer accordingly. If even the paraphrased version is not present, then you have to choose not given option. So I'm sure if you utilize this tip while you are practicing at home, it will help you, and you have to tell me through your comments if it is helping you or not. And please, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I'll be happy to answer you.